So after this round, this is my first night back on the streets. And this new restaurant, they closed an hour ago. They closed at 9. So then they were all quiet. And then they wait till after I decide to, settle down and get comfortable. See, there was no music at all. And now look what they're doing. They do this every night. As I said, they were already closed. It was all quiet. And they wait till after I settle to do this. You hear it? On purpose to prevent me from sleeping. Well, why don't you go sleep somewhere else? Because I can't go sleep nowhere else. Gang stalking. Now it seems like it's getting louder. They're purposely making it louder. But it's my own fault I'm not functional. The sleep deprivation. Pure evil. So that lets me know that I'm not welcome to ever eat at that restaurant. Bad enough, it's a lot of high noise traffic. And so by it being night and me being by myself, I'm by myself and I have to put my earphones in, but at the same time, I have to put my earphones in because in order to block out the noise, but then I can't put my earphones in because I have to, try to be alert and sleep with one eye open to protect myself. They want me to be unsafe or feel unsafe. So as I said, it was all quiet until I settled down and, got my sleeping bag and everything. So I had to be forced to put my earphones in and feel vulnerable and, not feel protected. And then all this on purpose high traffic, So I'm about to, for a few seconds I forgot I was recording a video. That's why I paused for a while. My mind went off into it wandered off. My mind wanders off with unintentional daydreaming sometimes, or unwanted thoughts without me realizing. I'm trying to, in a daze sometimes. So I'm going to go because I have to save some space on my phone in case I'm hoping nothing crazy will happen, but in case something crazy happens, probably going to have to wait till tomorrow morning to upload this video too. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.